Hi, I'm Janefrances Nwachukwu. I reside in Kentucky, United States. I live with my husband and my kids. I have a background in computer science. I graduated from ISC² University with computer science. I started my career journey in the bank. I worked my way up, attending to customers. I held so many positions in the bank, starting from customer services and operations lead. But at some point in my career, I felt I needed more challenge. I needed to solve problems for companies. I needed to leverage my technical and transferable skills to contribute to organizations' IT goals. So coming from computer science background, I always loved IT. I've always wanted to work in this field. So that made me to go on to research online. I went online, I started research. Then I came across Purdue University and their partnership with Simplilearn. Since I started this program, first of all, this program is packed with practicals, real-world practicals, lab with over 60 labs, practices, and projects. So we started this project a few months ago, and since then, there has been great change in my skills in terms of cybersecurity, in my boldness, in my confidence. This program has built my confidence. During this program, I was able to engage or participate in some cybersecurity competitions and even projects. So before now, I don't have that confidence, as I said, but I applied for the DoD Cyber Sentinel Challenge 2025, June 14. It was hosted by U.S. Department of Defense. So we were over 1 million applicants. So after the competition, I was also among the first 2,000 people that performed well in the program. So without the Simplilearn program, I don't think I would have done well. So coming from a different background, a different career background, and participating in such a challenge, Cyber Sentinel is a cybersecurity challenge that everybody longs to participate in. So I was lucky to be among them. So coming out that good, I feel that I have done well. I've gotten some of the skills that I needed. So, and I was so confident in solving problems. And one good thing again that this program did for me was the sense of research. So our instructors, Beniak, Williams, and Michael, they instilled this sense of research in us. So sometimes Beniak will be like, okay, solve this challenge, fix this problem. He always wants us to fix one or two puzzles. And that, I took advantage of that. I do research. I got those problems solved. And each time I solve each problem, that motivates me more because I'm kind of person that is driven by my achievement. Then another thing that this program has helped me to achieve is an internship. I was able to get an internship during this program, and the knowledge and skills I got from this program helped me to carry out my internship projects without problem. I concluded internship successfully. And currently, again, I was selected for the Women in Cybersecurity Vulnerability Program, disclosure program that is ongoing right now. So overall, I would say that this program has given me what I wanted. I wanted technical skills, I wanted confidence, I wanted boldness, I wanted certifications, and I've gotten all from this program. So my plan is to use the knowledge I've gained to contribute to IT and cybersecurity of an organization. My goal has been to defend the cyber, protect and defend digital assets and the people who rely on them. So my plan and my goal is to utilize these skills that I've gained to contribute to the security and information standards of organizations. So my advice is that they should keep on reading, be committed, be bold, believe in themselves, they can do it. If I can find confidence now, I believe that anyone who is serious will also do the same.